everybody. This is where you're sitting on your bottoms and watching and enjoying and smiling, right? But we're not getting. It's a bicycle and he goes backwards. How many birds do that? Ah! Oh my gosh! He rolled off the table. That makes you a reckless driver. Yes, it does. Are we watching video? Are we watching? Wow! And I like when you clap your hands too. So let's clap our hands. Now, we have a ball. Now let's learn right now, okay? Because I have your attention. Do I have your attention? Do birds have hands?
No.
So he's going to carry the ball with his beak. Everybody say beak.
Beak.
All right, so the bird carries the ball with his beak. He turns around, he's dribbling. He's a pro basket. This is where we throw our hands up and say, yay! Did you know maybe? You didn't know that, did you? See? We can learn a lot today. And he's nice. He just kissed that boy over there. Look how happy he is now. Give me a kiss. He likes to kiss me. Did you see the bird kiss me? Give me a kiss. Do you know why he kisses me? Because I'm his bird mom. And he has to kiss me on the lips. Yeah, you want to kiss me on the lips, right? Uh-oh, what did you do? You think I have bad breath? He thinks I have bad breath. Smell. Oh, no. No, that's not okay. You know, these birds are pretty naughty. What do you do when somebody's naughty? Do you like this? Naughty, naughty, naughty. Are you? Work together. I want everybody to count to 3. And kiss us. 1, 2, 3. Aww. And let's clap our hands for Marty. Good job. Good job. And he chews on everything, even his own toys. Come on, Jordan. Everybody say awesome. Have a B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time you'll sing with me. Parrots are smart, and Boomer is a famous bird that has his own viral video, everyone. He is known as the toilet paper hoarding parrot. So if you want to look him up on YouTube, you'll see why he is famous. His video is so popular that they even put it on a TV commercial for them to discover a car, right? Now, Boomer likes to put food in his shopping cart, so now that we're no longer in a toilet paper shortage, he's going to take all of his plastic food to the shopping cart. What does he like to eat? Right now, I eat them all. All right, now push the cart. Let's clap for Boomer. Good job, Boomer. His fun is in the cleaning up part. So he loves to clean up his toys. Clean up, every birdie. Clean up, every birdie. Do your part. You know that birdie song, right? Don't know that one? We better practice. How many toys is he going to carry in his beak? 3. Show me 3 fingers, friends. 3 fingers. Good. Keep them up. Now, how many rings are you going to put? Oh my goodness. He's going to try to get an extra one. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Show me this many fingers. That's 6. That's 9. And 1 more makes 10. 1, 2, 3. It's called the shell game. I'm going to put this toy underneath this cup, and I'm going to turn them around. All you have to do is to keep your eye on the cup with the green one, okay? Think you can watch it as I turn them around? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one. Oh, no. Did you see that? Parrots are not very good rule followers. So he did it again. Parrots are not big kids like you. They don't understand Or do you? That's the one. Let's clap for the bird. Yeah. Only look at this cup. Pretend this cup is your teacher. All right? Say go.
Go.
Say stop.
Stop.
Point to the cup you think the toy is under. What cup is the toy under? Did you blink? Come on, you're not supposed to be blinking here today. That's the one. Let's clap for the bird. Yeah. Get set. And there he goes. Look at that blazing speed, everybody. Is he going yet? Oh, there. He's going to go in a second. There he goes. Wow. Look how fast he is. That's as fast as he goes. He has been for 32 years. Hello. Good. She's going to say hello again. Hello. Hello. Good. Now, Yaki is 35 years old, and she can count to 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's clap for the bird.
Do you want him to sit there?
Alright, she's going to sing a song today. It's called Clementine. Okay? Now, here we go. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Keep my darling. Oh, my darling. That's what I want to hear. Let's give her a hand. Good job. She did a good job. All right, now Gordon is going to try to swing around in a circle.